So this is the big reveal. As I mentioned before, I am in a motel and I'm missing home cooked meals or just cooked meals in general instead of going to the restaurant for everything. So this is what I got. Ta-da! It's a Ninja Foodi digital air fryer. Now I don't know how good this thing is. What I want to do is I wanted to cook some salmon. And this would be the salmon. I got it from Sam's Club. Stuffed salmon fillets. That's on the menu for tonight. What I want to do is I want to open this and see what I have. I paid $149. Air fryers have been around for a while. But the thing is that, you know, I'm on the road. I had a pizza maker, a Presto pizza maker, but for whatever reason I didn't bring it. I couldn't find it. So let's see what we got here as we accessorize, expand your culinary capabilities. They're telling me here that I can have a 12-cup muffin pan, a broiler rack, and a 2-inch casserole. There's over here. Just tells you about how it flips up and it's stored away. We have our instructions. I have to read that. And I sure hope the person who owns the motel doesn't flip out. I mean, I currently have a crock pot here, and kind of like a Cuisinart sandwich maker, which I should have got a panini maker. And you know, it's big dreams, you know. Pretty big box. Looks like it protected it pretty good. So I'll put this to the side. This looks pretty fairly easy, straightforward. Head it upside down. It goes like this. Always want to make sure you take off all the tape. This thing will get hot. Can't wait to cook chicken wings or heat up bread. I mean, something as simple as that. Get some instructions here. How to have virtually smoke-free experience. Always use the air fry basket with a sheet pan in the rack below. Air fry basket, slide into the top rack. Sheet pan, put on a wire rack. Wire rack, slide into the bottom rack slot. Always use recommended fat oil. Recommended canola, refined coconut, avocado, vegetable, and grapeseed. Not recommended is olive oil, butter, and margarine. For marinades containing sugar, honey, or other sweeteners, brush onto proteins halfway through boiling to avoid burning. So yeah, pretty good to know. Got kind of like a basket here. I essentially want to cook real basic things. I don't want to draw a lot of attention in my hotel room or motel. I'm in a motel, not a hotel. And like I said, I'm here for work. So I'm not trying to spend big money on hotel rooms. job's supposed to be good till August. So when I'm done with this job, I'll definitely be bringing this home to add to my collection. It looks pretty straightforward. The thing about this that I like is that it's skinny. Most food isn't really mounted on real high. You put a pizza in there, pizzas ain't that high. I measured that. That's why I bought it when I measured that salmon pan, so I could see that it fit right in there. And like I said, I eat real basic stuff, and I'm not trying to be Chef Emerald. I'm just trying to cook some of the things I like. Let me give you an overview of this. Like I said, you flip it open right here. It's got all your settings here. You got crisp control, air fry, air roast, air broil, dehydrate, keep warm. You got to start the light. Yeah, this looks like it's gonna work. So let me set this up and I'll be right back.